is protecting the elephant god. Wow. I don't want to be there large. Let's go. Okay, now just okay, before I go back to the dog, please keep your hand. There's a lot of fires everywhere now. Fire on top of the water.
Baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I keep her in check. She was all bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a peek, I don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, some things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not tryna lose.
First of all, for your safety, please remain seated and keep your hands placed in your hand inside the boat. Also, this is the water ride, so you may get wet. Please beware of your electronic device and watch your children at all times. Okay, now look at your right hand side. That is Thailand tea house. If you want to go to the tea house, you may take a run over there. But while it's already cold today, or maybe next time. This is the longest river in the world. It's almost 4,000 miles. So don't worry, I know a shortcut. Okay, now we are at the jungle entrance. Do you see who are waiting for us? Oh, it's elephant. She's mother elephant and baby elephant. Look, she's teaching her baby how to use his trunk. Okay, now look at your right hand side. He's brother elephant. Oh, he's taking a shower. He wants to make us rest. Careful. Oh, hi. The other elephant in front of us. Oh, father elephant. Okay, stop it. Okay, good boy. Don't. Okay, don't do it again. Okay, promise. Oh no, watch out. Okay, he just eating. Don't worry. And now we are entering the old temple. Wow, look, what's that? Wow, it's a spider, yes. This is the biggest spider in the world. They can jump over 30 feet. But don't worry, we are just 10 feet away. If they jump, they will jump over us, okay? And his elephant god, those things cover is protecting the elephant god. Wow, he's watching us. Oh, let's go, don't stay here. Going. Oh no, what's ahead? Can you see that? Oh, there are so many crocodiles here. They look so hungry. Please keep your hand inside the boat. Yeah, keep your hand inside the boat, okay? And they are sleeping. Oh, don't wake them up. I don't want to be their lunch. Let's go. Okay, now just ahead is my friend Professor Potter campsite. But I think, this has the inexpensive guest. Oh, what's happened? Whoa! Gorilla is holding the gun. Can you see that? Don't shoot us, please. Let's go. Wow. Welcome to Africa. Look, there's so many animals here. A zebra, giraffe, and African elephant. This is the second weird animals in this jungle. Look. Oh, hi, elephant. Wow, the most weird one is over there. Okay, let's go. Oh, something under the water. What's that? Oh, it's people. Look, they're so big. They almost say pounds. Oh no, don't bite my bone, get away from us. Oh no, watch out, the other side. Oh, your mouth is so dirty. Not so very smelly, right? Oh no. Those people is my passenger of my last boat. They don't listen to me. They jump out from my boat when they saw those people. So I tell you, stay on the seat, okay? Okay, let's keep going. Oh no. What's that? Yes, it's skulls. There's so many skulls here. Why? Oh no, it seems we are entering the headhunter territory. Keep quiet. Okay. Quiet. Okay, don't worry. Anybody get hurt? No, your head's still here. Yes. Alright. Let's go back to the dock. Just ahead. Nothing can stop us again. Okay, let's go. Oh, whoa, whoa, no, what happened? Hold on, hold on. Wow. Here. It's so smoky. Oh, this place contains I got on fire and water. Let's go stay here. Let's go. Oh no, they bought our way. Whoa! The got on fire every now. No, please. Oh no, fire on top of the water. Welcome back, Explorer. Oh, who's there? Oh, hi, baby elephant. No, it's baby elephant again. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye, baby elephant. Okay, before go back to the dock, please keep your hands and elbows inside the boat. Okay, let me see. Okay, very good. Okay, it's time to go back to the dock. Let's go. When our door is company stop, you can use the middle and the back door to leave. Okay, but remember, don't close the window. Okay, this is the window. If you close the window, you will become a gorilla. Then I will send you back to the jungle and eat banana of your whole life. Okay. Okay, my boy, stop. It's time to say bye bye. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Take your all belongings. Bye. Bye bye again. I want to go.